New generation MoliGen. Enlight your engine with revolutionary molecular friction control technology from Liqui Moly. Now in fluorescent green color with synthetic tungsten-based friction modifiers. Blended for superior performance. Experience longer engine life and lower fuel consumption, and achieve a 15% lower friction coefficient to reduce wear by up to 30%. With molecular friction control, maximize performance and retain high thermal and pressure stability with a range suitable for every model and make. The new generation MoliGen meets the latest API and ILSAC GF5 standards and recommendation. Achieve a smoother drive and save fuel. Liqui Moly's new generation MoliGen. Nothing is closer to zero friction.